Good morning everyone. In this video, I will explain chapter number 11, Cloud Computing. So before starting cloud computing, they have given one example that why we need cloud computing. So for example, if you want to set up an IT company, then for that you need a space for office, you need different hardware devices and computers, you need software, and to use these computers you need electricity, cooling system and IT experts. So all of these require a lot of money. For example, if your business is successful and your work increases, then you need more space, more computers and software, more IT experts and more cooling system. So it means again you have to pay a lot of money. But if your work decreases and you need to shut down your business, then all this infrastructure will be of no use. So to eliminate these problems, we need cloud computing. Next topic is cloud computing. So cloud computing is a technology that provides resources and services over the internet. It means cloud computing allows us to store our data like audio, photo, video, and different files on internet. So instead of storing files and data on hard disk of your computer, you can store these files on internet. So it provides services like accessing or using the software and storing the files online. So by using cloud computing, instead of accessing or using these resources and services on your computer, you can access these files and resources on internet. So some of these resources and services are free. It means cloud computing provides some resources and services free, but some are paid. It means to use some resources and services in cloud computing you have to pay money. Next is the reasons why people are choosing cloud computing. So first reason is accessibility. So as cloud computing allow you to store data and files over internet, so you can access or use this data and application from any computer or device, but the condition is you must have an internet connection. Second reason is cost saving. So as by using cloud computing we can access or use software applications and different resources over the internet, so there is no need to purchase hardware and software. So it saves our money. Third reason is space saving. So as in cloud computing we can store our data on internet, so there is no need for servers and other hardware devices. So it saves space required for servers and other hardware devices. Next topic is uses of cloud computing. So first is by using cloud computing we can store documents, photos, videos and other files online on internet. Second is cloud computing allows us to use software, program and web apps like email. Third use is by using cloud computing we can share our ideas and views with other users using social networks. Fourth use is by using cloud computing we can create new mobile apps and services. Last use is cloud computing allow us to host websites and blog. Blog is a informational website that allow us to publish our ideas and views online.